kiddos! Let's learn how to write lowercase alphabet from K to O.
Yay!
Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's get started. Letter K. Pull down. Slant to the top. Slant to the bottom. K is for kiwi. K is for kiwi.
Yay!
Let's do another letter. L. Pull down from the top. L is for lemon. L is for lemon. Letter M. Pull down. Back to the top. Make a curve around and pull down. Make a curve around and pull down again. M is for mango. M is for mango. Next, we are going to learn the letter N. Pull down. Back to the top. Make a curve around and pull down. N is for nectarine. N is for nectarine. Great! The next letter is the easiest one. Letter O. Make a circle from the top and close it. Done! O is for orange. O is for orange. Hope you are having fun, kiddos! For more learning and fun, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next videos!